Sugar freedom, healthy baking with low sugar. Have you ever yearned for the delectable sweetness of baked goods without the guilt of excessive sugar intake? Healthy baking with low sugar is a tantalizing journey into the world of sugar-conscious baking, promising not just scrumptious treats but also a balanced approach to indulgence. How can the magic of reduced sugar empower you to create delectable confections while safeguarding your health? Join us on a path that will reveal the secrets of healthy baking with low sugar, offering a delectable yet guilt-free culinary adventure. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. The journey commences with the irresistible allure of baking without an overload of sugar. It's about understanding that you can have your cake and eat it too, quite literally, without compromising your well-being. Discover how healthy baking with low sugar becomes the cornerstone of not just creating mouth-watering desserts but also a way to take charge of your dietary choices and maintain a balanced lifestyle. In a world where sugary treats dominate the dessert landscape, the magic of healthy baking with low sugar lies in the realm of creativity. This is where you'll uncover innovative substitutes and inventive techniques that transform ordinary recipes into extraordinary sugar-conscious delights. Explore how reduced sugar baking empowers you to experience the joy of culinary invention, all while keeping your health at the forefront. It's about shifting the paradigm from sugar-packed desserts to a more conscious and health-oriented approach to baking. The journey takes a delightful turn as we delve into the numerous benefits of embracing healthy baking with low sugar. From managing weight and blood sugar levels to satisfying your sweet tooth and improving overall health, you'll learn how this culinary approach can significantly impact your well-being. Uncover the science behind the art of low-sugar baking and its ability to let you savor delightful confections while keeping sugar intake in check, allowing you to make informed choices that contribute to a more balanced and satisfying life. It's not just about reducing sugar, it's about redefining the boundaries of what's possible in the world of baking. The captivating element of the journey lies in how creative substitutions and mindful ingredient selections can lead to delicious masterpieces that don't compromise on taste. Discover how low-sugar baking not only allows you to enjoy sweets but also enhances your culinary repertoire, giving you the freedom to savor the best of both worlds. Healthy baking with low sugar isn't about compromising on flavor. It's about enhancing it while making thoughtful choices for your health. We'll delve into various sugar alternatives, baking techniques, and innovative recipes that will help you make the most of your sugar-conscious baking journey. Whether you're on a quest to manage your sugar intake, indulge in delectable yet guilt-free desserts, or simply explore the art of healthier baking, you'll have all the tools you need to successfully unlock the secrets of healthy baking with low sugar and embark on a journey toward a tastier, more health-conscious, and delightful culinary experience. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.